Hey guys. There we go. Oh my god, I think I just showed my face on that part. Please, if y'all have people, tell them to look at this channel. I'm so close to 30 subscribers. Please, I need that. I need the 30. You know, comment below, guys. Comment below what game I should play next, and I'll play it. My voice sounds deeper, but say me. Tips in Blizzard is to always stay in the corner. If you stay in a corner, you won't even lose health. That's what I'm always surprised at. And I just found it out. I never watched a video. I just found it out myself. Well, in the comments or description, I'm gonna put my PS4 gamer tag if you have a PS4. See, like they said, it's Blizzard. You stay in the corner and you won't even die. I'm not even losing health. $50 subscribers, I'll do face reveal. There you go, 50 subscribers, I'll do face reveal. Hear that? 50 subscribers. Look at the leaderboard. Let's see, I'm on 43 wins. Or this could be like flash flood because like the clouds. I hate these kind of maps that like there's a tsunami and like there's no even high places. You stupid shit. Excuse my language. Being sarcastic. You know, I'm gonna turn the volume up. But if it's loud, I'm lowering this back down. In the hills now. I was crazy, but his eyes from chillin'. No twin, and he blew on my business. Kelly Jenny thing got his own now. When I'm out, you be staring like a sexy. I do not call her baby, I'm not like people. I won't ever give it F fucking night. You should fuck it and it's not like a high speed. Tell Twitter that you need to go and watch your face. 17, you told me when you try to catch your case, DM up or DM I don't need too much. Okay, see ya. Bye.